everybody! Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. And today I have a $5 bag sale haul, garage sale haul for you guys. Today I went to a church rummage sale and it was all inside, and actually was good because it was raining today. So it was all inside, and I happened to see signs when I was driving through town today, and so I ended up stopping in, and they said that fill a bag for $5 of clothing. And so I actually am going to have probably 2 hauls for this particular haul. I'm going to have 2 different videos because I had quite a bit of stuff. So this will be 1 bag, and then I got another bag too. So altogether I spent like $11. I bought a hat and a pair of shoes, which were separate. Well, actually I think the hat she charged me separate. I don't think she charged me separate for the shoes. Maybe she did, I don't know. But I'm going to go through and kind of tell you guys why I picked up these pieces. It was fill a bag, so I couldn't really find a ton of great pieces. So, I mean, I don't know if it'll be in this bag or the next one. I did find something really exciting, but I don't know if it'll be in this bag or next one because I haven't looked through it. I got a lot of what I would consider vintage pieces or 90s Y2K pieces. I saw a lot of Y2K stuff actually. Just yesterday, I had 3 items sell to the same buyer. I believe it was an international buyer. It's going through a global shipping program. I sold 2 pairs of Y2K, what I labeled as Y2K sandals, and a Y2K and tailor skirt as well. One way that I kind of figure out something is Y2K, obviously I look at the brand tag and see like if there's any, like any way for me to identify it from that. But you can also do your own research when it comes to different brands and what the tags were at different years. For me, a lot of cabbage hem type stuff that has like the cabbage hem at the bottom, that is very Y2K. So I do, a lot of times I find something that is has a cabbage hem, I will make sure I put cabbage hem and Y2K in the listing. It really is just something you have to do a little bit of research usually, but honestly, if it's got that style, you can definitely put Y2K in it. You can put Y2K style, that kind of stuff. Anyway, so as we go through, I'll kind of tell you why I picked up these items. Like I said, it was $5 for fill a bag, and when it comes down to that, I can basically make money on almost anything, so this, I don't think I'll make much on it. Actually, looking at it, it looks pretty rough shape. It is a Tweety bird sweatshirt. You can see it's pretty rough up here. I didn't notice that. It was kind of dark. I don't know if I'll be able to sell this or not. Maybe for like 10 bucks. I might be able to do some fun bleaching. I don't know. But I did pick that up, and it actually, the outside is in really good condition except for that. So, might not be able to sell it like that, but I might be able to. Okay, this is actually just Maurice's, and it is a newish tag. But I got it because it's crocheted, and crochet is something that is really popular right now. I don't normally pick up Maurice's unless it's a style, like with the style. This reminds me of a shacket or a jacket. Definitely vintage plaid. Brand doesn't mean anything to me, and I honestly don't know what it even says, but it needs to be de-haired because there's definitely a lot of hair on it, but it is like what I would consider like a shacket. So I got this just because of the size. I don't really pick up American Eagle. This is I don't know if this is an older American Eagle or not, but I got it because it is large. So large. And it is plaid, and it's kind of like a peplum. So I don't think I'll get a lot out of it, but because it's a large and it's plaid, I think that I'll be able to make something. These I picked up purely on style. I've never heard of them, so if you have, they're definitely for a bigger dude. They are these interesting pants. And then that's the back. Never seen anything like this. These have like, I don't know what that is. You heard of that? FGM plus FG. I don't know what that is. The brand Jean. I don't know. I have to look it up. Marithe Frankios Gibrod, the back says. You heard of this? I don't know. I picked them up because they're in really good condition. They're kind of like retro Y2K like to me. And I haven't really tried to list any men's items with Y2K in them, so I'm going to try that with these. And they're really, they're a big size. Let's see if it even says the size in here. It does say 36, 34. These are some baggy pants. I'll have to look it up and see. I think if I put Y2K in them, they'll probably do okay. I don't generally pick up this brand either. I'll have to go through here because there's a lot of little stray like things, but I generally don't pick up this brand either. But because it was International Concepts, because it's a really pretty red, this would be fantastic for Christmas. It is a bigger size, I think. Yeah, it's a 0X, so I don't know if that means an XL or a 1X. I don't know what that means. I'll have to look it up. But it's a really pretty shirt, and the one reason I picked it up again is because it was a bag sale. So I paid $5. So each time, this particular set of items, there aren't like brands that I'm like super excited to sell, or brands, I would say none of these are brands that I'm like, ooh, I really love getting at. But when it's so cheap, and I'm really trying to do reselling more full-time this summer, because I'm not working as much this summer as I did last summer. Not currently. I probably will in the next couple weeks be working more. So I'm just trying to, supplement our income. So personally, I try to get pieces that I know are like more brands that I can sell for a higher price. But since I'm doing this more full-time, I need more inventory to be listing. So I'm willing to get items that are cheap that I can make, a really good return on my investment, but maybe not $20, maybe less than that. Oh, this has an issue. I actually think this is probably gonna go in the garbage. But it is like this vintage dress. I would probably put cottagecore in it. Definitely like 80s or 90s, but I see here that there's a big rip here, so I think it's probably gonna go in the garbage. Yeah, I think it'll probably just go in the garbage. I didn't realize there were so many rips in it. Okay, this is Lane Bryant. Yeah, and I don't normally pick up Lane Bryant, but it's a good size. It's a 14-16. It's a really pretty cami. I don't really pick that up, but I'm trying to try out some bigger sizes too, because I generally will buy a lot of smaller sizes because I'm a smaller size, and so I kind of gravitate toward looking at those sizes, and not the bigger sizes. And I know that that's something that I'm really lacking in my closet. So this is a cool, probably hand knit crocheted like vest tunic-y dress thing. There's no tags. This would look really cute. It's like very festival. It would probably look really cute as a tunic over leggings or jeans. I'll probably end up styling this and like putting it on with something. And the last piece, so like I said, guys, a lot of these are either vintage or I picked them up not because I love the brands, but because these are going to be probably kind of bread and butter. So the whole bag was $5. I gotta show you this last piece, but the whole bag was $5, and I picked up 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 items, so each piece was 50 cents. So really, when it gets down to be like 50 cents to between, anything under $1, it's like, I know I can sell this stuff and make some type of profit. If I can sell 10 of these items for $10, I'm going to make $95 before fees. That's still really good. And yeah, a lot of this stuff is easy stuff for me to list, right? This is a vintage Montgomery Ward knit poncho. Isn't that cute? Okay, this isn't the season for ponchos, but it's like a poncho thing. Okay, so I picked this up because I just thought it was cool. I just thought it was cool. Definitely vintage. I think I could probably model it in a really cute way. And honestly, out of everything, I'm thinking that will probably bring the highest. I think I can probably get $30 for this. Maybe more, but probably not. Probably around 25 or 30. The other pieces, maybe the jeans, if I look them up, they might be higher price. I'm not sure. You know, they're a pretty good size and they're in really good condition and they're very Y2K-like. So I think I could probably list them as Y2K. And if the right buyer comes along, I think I can probably get $40 to $50 for them. I don't know. We'll see. It'll depend on if I can look up the brand and see if it's anything. If not, I probably won't put the brand in the listing except in the description. So what I normally do if it's Y2K or vintage, I won't necessarily put the brand because the brand isn't important. Like Montgomery Ward, I probably will put that just because Montgomery Ward is like something that's kind of well known from that time era. But if it was just like a brand I'd never heard of, wasn't important, I would probably leave it out of the title of the listing, but I would put Y2K in it if it was Y2K, or vintage if it was vintage, right? And then in the description, in the photos, I'm going to show the brand tag and all that kind of stuff so that people still are able to see that part, right? So they know what they're getting, right? I don't want buyers to get stuff and be like, oh, I thought it was something else, or, you know, that kind of stuff. So anyway, I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys this stuff. Hopefully that you enjoyed it. I am going to do a part 2 for this haul as well, just so it's not too terribly long. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.